Darjeeling tea, often called the champagne of teas, is celebrated for its delicate and unique flavor. Grown in the Darjeeling region of India, this tea is loved for its light, floral notes, with a mild astringency that sets it apart from other teas. But what makes Darjeeling tea so special? It's cultivated in the cool, misty mountains of the Himalayas, which gives it a distinct taste that varies depending on when it's harvested, whether in the first, second, or autumn flush. While Darjeeling tea is well known for its flavor, it also provides numerous health benefits. One of its key advantages is its high antioxidant content. These antioxidants help protect the body from free radicals, improving skin health and reducing inflammation. Drinking Darjeeling tea regularly may also lower your risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, thanks to its polyphenols and other beneficial compounds. Another great benefit of Darjeeling tea is its moderate caffeine content. It offers a gentle energy boost, making it ideal for those who want to stay alert without the jitters that come from stronger caffeinated drinks. Plus, the tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus, so it helps you feel calm yet alert, perfect for a busy day. Darjeeling tea also aids digestion. It can help stimulate the production of stomach acids and digestive enzymes, making it a great post-meal drink. The mild astringency of Darjeeling tea can also soothe the stomach, reducing bloating and discomfort after heavy meals. Interestingly, Darjeeling tea is also beneficial for oral health. The antioxidants in the tea fight bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease and cavities. Additionally, the natural fluoride content in the tea helps strengthen your teeth and improve dental hygiene. In summary, Darjeeling tea isn't just a flavorful drink, it's packed with health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. From its antioxidant-rich properties to its ability to support digestion and oral health, Darjeeling tea is more than just a beverage. So, the next time you enjoy a cup of this tea, you'll know that you're drinking something that's both delicious and good for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights about teas and their health benefits. Let us know in the comments what you love most about Darjeeling tea.